let's go. The shifts are really nice. Hey there everyone. Today we have a 2003 Lexus RX300 on our channel. I want to say a huge thank you to Aidan over at MemberCar of Rockville in Rockville, Maryland for providing me this car. This is a really nice, clean example. Only got 130,000 miles. It's got some really low miles for its age. Excellent condition overall. And I know a lot of you have been waiting for this car, so here it is. And let's go take a look outside. Even has a touchscreen for 2003. I've never driven this body style before, so this will be my first time driving this car. I've only driven the newer RXs. I also really like that reflective tint in the back. Let's go take a look at the back seat. So here we have soft touch materials everywhere, Toyota style, Lexus style. The leather's in great shape for its age. I don't see any rips, any stains. Seems like a nice back seat in there. Let's hop in the back. And I gotta say, it feels surprisingly comfy. I'm 6'2", and there's a ton of room for me, for my legs. Lots of headroom. We got the vents on the back. And surprisingly, the AC is ice cold as well. We got an armrest here. I mean, all the materials here feel absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at the trunk. Very easy to open. A decent amount of space. Not the biggest trunk, but it is plenty for your basic needs. Will fit in a lot of suitcases. It's got a cargo cover, cargo net, all the factory floor mats. Well, let's take a look at the engine bay. See how that is. There you go. Now the question will be, how do I open it like that? We got Toyota Silky V6. I believe this is the same V6 that they use in the Camry with the 5-speed automatic. Toyota has the VIN. Seems super clean. All right, well, let's go take a look inside. Again, soft touch materials, side airbag. Okay, so hopping in here. And welcome to this cozy interior. I like how they designed the door controls and like the window, everything right here. So it's tilted towards the driver. We got our auto climate. Heated seats too. Snow mode. Unfortunately, there is no disc here, so I can't really do anything. Let's see. Glove box with the Lexus multi-CD play. Here's the CD player. We got a sunroof too. How nice. Headliner feels good. Lighted visor. Oh, that's how you slide it to open it. Okay. Glasses holder, auto dimming mirror, home link. I gotta say, it seems super cool. well, let's go take this RX300 for a drive. We'll do wiper test, horn test. All right. The front seats are very comfortable, excellent driving position, great visibility too all around me. I've always been a fan of these wooden steering wheels from Lexus. They're such a pleasure to hold. The ride is incredibly smooth. Cabin is quiet, there's no outside noise coming in, just a little bit on the gas, and it confidently builds speed. The transmission has butter smooth shifts, no jerks, nothing. Drives like a new car, it purrs. Surprisingly torquey and effortless. Handling is not bad. You do feel some mechanical grip limit here, but overall it feels super pleasant into the turns. There's no problem getting up to speed here. Yeah, it actually handles pretty well for its size. For 2003, this is some very good performance. At about 80, you don't feel any speed, nothing. It's very planted. This is very good. The ride is magnificent here. feels super luxury. But let's head back the other way and then go do our 0 to 60 test. This car has very good power levels for its rated power and just the age. It doesn't feel like it lost any of its power throughout these years. Almost 22 years. It sounds beautiful. Well, let's head down to Mexico and do some acceleration testing. 3, 2, 1, window up, let's go. The shifts are really nice. All right, so here we have it. So we did 0 to 60 in 9.57 seconds, and the 1/8 mile came in at 11.32. And once we get to our red light, we're going to be able to see the specific trap speed. Not bad. Let me tell you this, for today's day, hotter weather, I did turn off the AC because I do want to make sure we get the best time. No brake boost, none of that. And we still ran a 9.5, so good times. Oh well, looks like I'm not going to be able to come to a full stop here, so let's just see. History, drag, and our trap speed was 67.75. So by draggy, that would probably be like a 66.2 or something. So yeah, here are the times. I hope you can all see them clearly. Well, there you go. The speedometer is also pretty accurate, within about 1 mile per hour error margin. Let's see, 55 is 54 for, okay, 55 is 54. Okay, so 1 mile per hour off on the accuracy. You know, let's build some more speed and see if that accuracy gets worse. no, 80's 80. It actually evens out, so very nice. What I also like about this RX300 is that it has a very peppy start. So give it a little bit of gas and it just lurches off the line. Definitely plenty peppy, in my opinion. I've had no questions about the power here. Gets up and goes, does all the errands, passes, accelerates, does it nicely and smoothly. We still haven't used that much gas. Beautiful machine. I mean, the ride is just unmatched for this kind of age. It honestly reminds me a lot of the LS 430 in terms of the ride quality. Feels about the same to me, actually. Very smooth, very settled, very refined. But thank you so much for watching, everyone, and make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know what you thought about this car in the comments down below, and till next time.